finishing touches to his Irish beach wedding.
But this place is better than I thought it would. I'm actually totally surprised with how the marquee and everything looks. I never thought it looked that good. Like, obviously the big thing is sun around tomorrow. Will I have a wedding on the beach?